estates, but whether you are empowering the Igbo heritage, the Igbo language, how are you doing this? Let me explain again. In every of our estates, we have a boy having. Check out the names of our West Bank. Ife Meloma, Obodoma Private Estates. Other Igbo. Igbo Amaka.
Estate. But there's your
international talk to him. Are you ready? Ready for you. 1, 2, ready, go. Him and I went to the Pine Leaf Sequanaka. Now you know. Pine Leaf Estate, land banking is a must. Again, Pine Leaf Estate, land banking is a must. Thank you. Pine Leaf Estates! Pine Leaf Estates! Pine Leaf Estates! Ka onye ntị wee nụ na onye okwu ga-ekwupụta because the blind have seen.
Please, I'm coming to
thank you.
Program where I came to Abuja.
The most.
We're in the program why I came to Abuja. I am a program.
I don't know. I don't know how to open. Get over here, G-Way. Describe, bro. My own very benefactor, not just benefactor, but the benefactor of Ndibanine. I thank you, Archbishop Dr. Onyeka Nzepesi, the #1 pioneer of Anamachomanem. Not just that you are a pioneer of Anamachomanem, you are a pioneer of the conspiracy to defeat poverty in our land. Wow. Thank you, my bishop. Thank you. And also, my own very chief. Thank you, my chief. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Chief Boy, Mr. Kwasi, for our wisdom. And I am thanking every distinguished lady. I don't know. He took me to South Africa. I don't know, we went there, and I was opportune to sit in the same table where there is a conspiracy. There was a conspiracy. I saw big men conspiring on how to remove poverty from you and I. On how to eliminate poverty through land banking. How do you do this? How is it possible? Everybody is asking, can you press your man? Can you make yourself look at it this way? Pine Leaf Estates, they may organize a promotional sale of a land worth 30 million naira. Within a space of time, bring in 5 million naira. Hold this value. This value is 30 million. But bring 5 million naira. Only for 6 months or 1 year. You come back and cash out 30 million naira. Who does it better? I'm becoming emotional. Estates. But whether you are empowering the Igbo heritage, the Igbo language, how are you doing this? Let me explain again. In every of our estates, we have a boy having. Check out the names of our West Bank. Ife Meloma, Obodoma Private Estates. Other Igbo. Igbo Amaka. You see much? Akumotowa. Na Potokotia. Akumotowa. Wait, on Potokotia. Eh? Wait. So that you know that the land is of the people. one, my bishop. Please, let me have this handshake. Thank you, sir. You empowered Anomacho one, and today we are in Port Harcourt to find our brothers. We have connected that sister. And she will question herself. She will question her very self. She will question what she was told. She will question because even though she's married to an Igbo man, but maybe the man is not even teaching her. But today I have taught her. And by the grace of God, I want to encourage everyone to here, and I want to encourage all my fellow ambassadors, and I want to encourage every person that is working in one way or the other for Pine Leaf, that it is possible. There is no partiality. There is no special cow. There is no special cow in what you can benefit from buying real estate and properties. There is no special cow. There is no special person. Every person will be rewarded. But put in work. Put in what? Put in what? Hello, Riota. You can be the next person that will be on the plane flying over to UK. You can. Some few, sorry. Some today, a month today, I was in Cape Town. I was in Cape Town courtesy of my real estate and properties. And it wasn't that I'm qualified, it wasn't that I did it all, it wasn't bad because there is an encouragement. Do something and you will be encouraged by real estate and properties. And I'm begging, I know my German name still becomes on you. I know my German name can do much better in a place like UK. If you can still take my German name to UK, let us connect to Igbo in UK and elsewhere. Thank you and God bless you.
Lady J, you don't become an Igbo man.
I am not lost. I have been found since now.
Pine Leaf Estate, land banking is a must. Pine Leaf Estate, land banking is a must. My name is Yoko.